I'm Scott Dittler. I'm the sales manager here at EAS Roofing. A typical day here for me at EAS, being the sales manager, I'm still running leads as well. So doing the sales side of it just like a normal roof consultant would. Typical day, running 3 estimates a day where we're going into the homeowner's house, finding their wants and needs for their job that they want to get completed, and giving them proposals on their new project. Sometimes there's things that they didn't know that they needed for the job to get completed the right way. EAS, we're very technologically sound. We're always looking for the advances in the technology field to make everybody's job easier, especially the homeowner. Whether it's using things like our measuring tool for measuring the roof itself, or a homeowner may be choosing a different color for the roof. We have what's called a visualizer, where we can actually imprint the shingles on the roof and show them the color of their new roof before it's even installed. So it's a big decision if it's going to be up there for 50 years. You want to make sure it's done right and you like the look of it the first time. A lot of companies just throw one set price at you, and they don't let you know that there's more than one option out there, especially for a roof. I'm always inviting homeowners down to the showroom to check out the sample boards, because it's going to be up there for 50 years. You want it to be done the first time, do it right. And also you want to see the product in person. So as far as financing options, you want to make it easier for the homeowner. Our financing options range from anywhere from a 12-month same as cash, that's no interest and no payments, all the way up to a 10-year loan with a no early payoff penalty. 10 years spreading out your job and being able to pay that off without paying a penalty as soon as you want. We give the homeowners as many options as possible to make it easy for them to get their project completed. So here at EAS Roofing, we're a 5-star Select ShingleMaster with CertainTeed. CertainTeed is the brand of shingles that we install. With our warranties here at EAS, with that 5-star Select ShingleMaster, we're able to offer our homeowners a 50-year non-prorated warranty, and we're giving you a 10-year workmanship warranty. Anything happens within that 10-year range, you give us a call, we're coming to take care of it, no questions asked and no cost to you. We take a lot of pride in communication. Communication is very big, especially when you're getting a roofing project done, possibly over $10,000 in most cases. You want to know what's going on through that whole process. Or if we see a homeowner maybe at a home show the next year, and they got a big smile on their face and they're very happy with the project that was installed, take a lot of pride in that, because we're a big referral business. And if I'm at a homeowner's house and they say, oh yeah, you did the neighbors across the street and they loved it, you take a lot of pride in that. One homeowner in particular, I gave her an estimate. She got 3 estimates, decided to go with a different company, which, that's fine. Maybe we're not the best fit for somebody at that point in time. I got a frantic phone call about 3 months later. So we had a bad rainstorm, and the homeowner said, listen, I chose a different company, but I've been having nothing but issues. So I went out to the house, walked around, I did a little minor inspection to see, some of the things that actually were installed in the roof the first time. We actually did their lady's roof that same week. We did it over again, and she left us a great review, but she gave me a phone call and was in tears of saying how happy she was. Tears of being happy that the roof got done right this time.